Let's make blondies. Add 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of sugar to a large bowl and mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Add 1 cup of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix until combined, scraping the sides of the bowl as needed once again. Add 2/3 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts and 2/3 cup of white chocolate chips and stir those in with a wooden spoon or spatula. Spray an 8x8-inch baking pan, then add the dough to it. Spread it out evenly. Then bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 35 minutes until nice and golden brown on top. Let cool completely. Then run a cake spatula or butter knife around the edges to loosen it. Cut it into large squares with a knife. Then serve. Eat plain or with a scoop of ice cream. Enjoy. Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.